Hello friends. Today I will teach you how to create a custom code using Microsoft Excel VBA. First, let us open a blank sheet in Excel. Then, we will go to the Developer tab and insert a form control like a button. We will name the macro Hide, and then click on New. When we do that, the Visual Basic Editor will open. We will see that the sub-module Hide is already created. Then we will write the code to hide sheets 2 and 3. Let us go back to the Excel worksheet and check if the macro that we have created is working or not. To do that, just click on the button. We will see that sheets 2 and 3 are hidden. We can format and rename the button Button 1 by right-clicking on the button or clicking on the design mode. We will now create another button and create a new macro named Unhide. We will write the code under the submodule Unhide in the Visual Basic Editor. Let me tell you here that the Visual Basic Editor automatically opens when we create a custom macro by clicking on New Macro. We do not have to open the editor manually. Now, to check whether the code is working or not, we will go back to the Excel sheet and click on Button 2. We will see that sheets 2 and 3, which were previously hidden, are now visible. We can edit the button by right-clicking on it and renaming it as Unhide Sheet. To make the sheet look better, you can hide the grid lines if you want by clicking on View and uncheck the View Grid Lines checkbox. Please make sure to save the macro as a macro-enabled worksheet or .xlsm file. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Bye for now.